paano yung, kasi kailangan niyo po talaga siyang ilipad sa
Mm.
daig no matter what
Mm.
on that day.
Mm.
So paano po ibinaba sa inyo ni PNP Chief Marbil na how did he say that to you? Na no matter what, we need to fly the former president to the Hague and we need to implement the ICC arrest warrant.
Arrest him and bring him to the Hague. Yun lang. Simple as that. Arrest him and bring him to the Hague. Sagot ko lang, sir, bigyan mo ko aeroplano. O di ayos.
And then the rest, you planned everything.
Pero matagal na yun eh. Ang plano na yan, matagal na yan. Hindi yan spur of the moment eh. Matagal na yan. And nagkataon lang na talagang yun, the opportunity arose.
Ayan, maliwanag, may Operation Pursuit, sabi nga ni General Torre, matagal na yan. Hindi yan spur of the moment. Inutos ni General Marbil, ang Chief PNP, and the operation was planned as early as January 2025. So hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na madalian at waring nakita ko bit-bit ni General Torre nung pumunta siya dito sa first hearing dahil pinagmamalaki nga niya na napakakapal nung plano niya. Ang Oplan Pursuit 80 pages. At maliwanag na ang PNO had prepared a secret plan, Oplan Pursuit, to detain PRRD, including scenarios of arresting him either in Manila or Davao. It also contained maps of properties of the former president, his partner, his allies, with arrows labeling the nearby streets where the PNP could access the property. Sana hihingi ako ng kopya nitong 80-page plan called Operation Pursuit. At gusto ko rin sana malaman, katulad ng sambayanan, kung kailan nag-umpisa to. Dahil obviously, itong Operation Pursuit was concocted weeks, if not months before March 11. Panay ang sabi nila, nagulantang daw sila nung dumating nung March 11 ng umaga. Pero mukhang hindi naman yata totoo to. Hindi naman yung Interpol o yung diffusion notice na dumating ng March 11 ng 3 a.m. ang nag-umpisa nitong lahat, kundi nung nakaraang taon pa, Mayo pa lang, klarong-klaro na.
Madam Chair, may I move that this committee issue a subpoena duces taken to the PNP to produce that document?
Madam Chair, before you rule on that, did the cabinet secretaries also submit already the whole video? Kasi they said last time
Putol.
na they will submit their version of the whole video. Kasi I agree with Senator Bato that any piece of evidence that is not confidential or does not violate national security should be handed over so that we can be fair to them, diba? We don't want to come out with reports then sasabihin nila ay hindi yan yung nasa buong video, ay hindi yan yung nasa plano, diba? So maybe we can request them and then if they don't give it then we subpoena it. But I submit to you, Madam Chair.
Yes, I'm in full agreement with both our senators, and certainly the comment that there was no plan until they received the Interpol warrant or diffusion order is highly doubtful. Pati yung New York Times, alam yung balita tungkol sa plano. Bakit tayo walang maibigay na plano sa ating komite? Pagkatapos yung complete video na hinahanap ni Senator Cayetana, tama po kayo. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nabigay.
Pero baka kasi kasama sa 80-page plan yung paghuli kay Senator Bato. So hindi talaga pwedeng ibigay muna sa atin.
Senator Bato, anong comment nyo dan?
I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Magkapit bahay tayo, ha? O,